I remember ruining a perfect beach day with a cheap, wobbly charcoal grill that tipped over and dumped my burgers into the sand. Finding a portable charcoal grill usually means choosing between flimsy metal that rusts after one use or something so heavy it breaks your back. I tested the top options out there to find the ones that actually deliver serious barbecue flavor without the hassle. Let me explain exactly which ones are worth your money and which ones you should skip, including one that completely surprised me. Weber Jumbo Joe. This is best for traditionalists who want that classic backyard kettle experience in a slightly more movable package. Well, everyone knows the Weber name, and it is a classic for a very good reason. The Jumbo Joe gives you an 18-inch cooking grate, which is a surprisingly solid amount of space if you are trying to feed a small family at a campsite. You can easily fit a whole cut-up chicken, a couple of racks of ribs, or a bunch of burgers all at once without crowding the meat. The porcelain enameled bowl and lid hold heat beautifully during the cooking process. I have gotten some really decent hard sears on thick steaks with this thing. It feels exceptionally sturdy when you lock the lid down with that top handle, which makes it feel exactly like a mini version of their legendary full-size kettle. But honestly, portability is where this thing really starts to struggle in the real world. They call it portable, but it is incredibly bulky and just awkwardly shaped to carry for long distances. If you are just moving it from your garage to your patio, fine, but trekking it across a park or down a sandy beach is a massive, annoying pain. Then there's the absolute nightmare of the ash management system. It just has this shallow little aluminum plate sitting open at the very bottom to catch the ash. 5. S&S Grill's Slow & Sear Travel Kettle Grill. This one is built specifically for the outdoor cooking nerd who refuses to leave their low and slow smoking techniques at home. If you genuinely love smoking meats, you probably already know all about the famous Slow & Sear insert. Taking that specific technology and shrinking it down into a travel kettle is a really ambitious and cool idea. You get this brilliant little specialized setup that lets you create 2 distinct cooking zones, which is usually entirely impossible on a standard portable grill. The actual build quality is undeniably solid and impressive out of the box. It feels like a heavy-duty tank. When I tested it out with a small pork shoulder, it held a steady 225 degrees, surprisingly well for such a small, compact unit. The smoke flavor was deep, rich, and honestly much better than I ever expected from a travel-sized cooker. But here is the major catch that drove me crazy. Because they tried to pack so much thick, heavy-gauge metal into this design to retain that heat, it weighs an absolute ton for its physical size. Lugging this heavy thing down a dirt trail to a scenic picnic spot genuinely feels like a miserable workout you did not sign up for. Also, the lid design can be deeply irritating when you are actually out cooking in the wild. It does not have a great way to rest securely when you desperately need both hands to handle your food. 4. Kamado Joe Jr. Charcoal Grill. This is perfect for the flavor purist who wants premium steakhouse results and unmatched heat retention no matter where they are cooking. The thick, heavy ceramic walls do an incredible job of trapping heat and locking in moisture during the cook. The chicken breasts I cooked on this came out significantly juicier than anything I have ever pulled off a standard thin metal grill. It gives you 148 square inches of cooking space, which sounds a bit small on paper, but the heavy cast iron grate maximizes every single inch. You get these gorgeous, thick, professional sear marks that you usually only see at high-end, expensive steakhouses. The airflow control is phenomenally precise once you finally get the hang of the top vent. It also looks absolutely fantastic sitting on a table. That bright red dimpled ceramic shell really stands out, and it comes with a sturdy cast iron stand that elevates it safely off your wooden surfaces. The built-in temperature gauge is highly accurate and easy to read, so you're never randomly guessing what is happening under that heavy dome. The fuel efficiency is completely off the charts. Because the thick ceramic holds heat so incredibly well, you use a tiny fraction of the charcoal you would normally burn through on a steel grill. You can load it up just once and cook for hours and hours without constantly feeding the fire. Everdure Cube Portable Charcoal Grill. This is the ultimate pick for design lovers and beachgoers who want a sleek, modern cooking experience without the traditional messy cleanup. I mean, just look at this thing for a second. The Everdure Cube does not even look like a traditional grill at first glance. It looks like a high-tech cooler or a premium piece of modern luggage. It is incredibly lightweight to carry, and the boxy aesthetic is just brilliant for modern outdoor living and stylish backyard setups. What I love most is the incredibly smart built-in storage system. The top actually functions as a sturdy, food-grade bamboo cutting board, and underneath that, there is a dedicated plastic storage tray for your tools or your raw food. You grab one neat little cube and you instantly have your entire kitchen setup ready to go. The safety features on this model are absolutely top-notch. It has this highly effective built-in heat protection shield, so the bottom and the outside sides stay completely cool to the touch while you cook. You know, you can literally set this down right on a wooden picnic table or even a blanket at the beach without worrying about melting anything. The cooking performance is surprisingly punchy and aggressive. The charcoal tray sits quite close to the top grill grate, which gives you a really fast, intense, direct heat that is absolutely perfect for quick cooking items like shrimp skewers, thin steaks, or sliced vegetables. 2. Weber's Smoky Joe. This is best for the casual weekend warrior who needs a legendary, foolproof grill that costs less than a fancy dinner out. Well, you simply cannot talk about portable grilling without bowing down to the absolute legend, the Weber Smoky Joe. It is the undisputed king of rowdy tailgates and tiny apartment patios everywhere. I have owned one of these specific grills for years, and it is incredibly satisfying to use because it strips grilling down to its absolute purest form. The 14-inch cooking grate is perfectly sized for real-world use. It is small enough that you do not need to waste a whole heavy bag of charcoal to get it going, but large enough to comfortably feed 3 or 4 hungry people at once. The glass-reinforced nylon handle stays wonderfully cool, so you never accidentally burn your hand grabbing the hot lid. You know, long-term durability is where this little thing absolutely shines. The thick porcelain enameled bowl completely resists rust and peeling even in harsh weather. I have accidentally left mine out in the pouring rain more times than I can actively count, and it just wipes entirely clean and keeps performing like it is brand new out of the box. It is also wonderfully, incredibly lightweight. You can effortlessly grab it with one hand by the handle and a small bag of charcoal in the other and walk straight to your favorite cooking spot. The simple aluminum dampers resist rust forever and let you control the heat easily. Royal Gourmet CD1519. This is the absolute sweet spot for families and tailgaters who want maximum cooking space and smart features packed into an incredibly portable design. It totally breaks all the standard rules of what a portable grill is supposed to be by giving you a massive 303 square inches of primary cooking space. That is more than enough room to easily cook for a whole family party at once without doing cooking shifts. But what really blew me away is the highly adjustable interior charcoal pan. You know, most small grills just give you one single heat level, but this has a clever 3-level height adjustment. You can raise or lower the hot coals instantly to get absolutely perfect, precise temperature control. It also brilliantly solves the single biggest headache of traditional charcoal cooking with its dedicated front access door. I mean, if you suddenly need to add more coals midway through a long cook, you do not have to dangerously remove your food or lift a hot, greasy grate. You just simply open the little front door and safely toss them right in. The inclusion of a dedicated chrome-plated warming rack is something you practically never see on a small portable unit. It perfectly keeps your finished burgers nice and warm while you finish cooking the hot dogs, ensuring everyone gets hot food at the exact same time. Plus, the slide-out ash pan makes the final cleanup ridiculously fast and easy. That's all for today, folks.